Admonition 1. The amity of princes and the sweet voice of children are not to be trusted, because the former is changed by fancy, and the latter in the course of one night. Give not thy heart to a sweetheart of 1,000 lovers, and if thou givest it, thou givest that heart for separation. You know, the further a person moves along, the harder it is for them to actually form as deep of an attachment. Now, there could be some of the earlier ones that they're attached to, or maybe just a different one or something. But yeah, don't expect as much if somebody's moved on and moved on and moved on, and you know, it's not the thing. And the cry is like, why doesn't it bother me? It's like it used to. And you know, I've heard from that.